So I've got this beef curry on the go today. It really is fantastic. Takes a little time to cook. We're going to cook it nice and slowly. But yeah, it's tremendous. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to go straight in on this one. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil here. I've just put the heat on. In there is 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 4 green cardamoms. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to let them do their thing in the oil as it heats up. Don't skip this step because it really infuses the oil and gives it a lovely flavor. Now here, I've got some beef. I've got 500 grams or just about a pound of a stewing beef. A little bit of fat on it here and there. It's not the greatest quality of beef, but we're going to make it super, super tender. It's going to be delicious. Cut it into, fairly chunky bits, really. Okay. And in it goes. Now we're on an above medium heat. And just for 4 minutes, keep it moving, stirring this beef in with those lovely spices that we've just added. Now I started this off with like a sunflower oil. Coconut oil could be really nice if you want to use that. So the meat is nowhere near cooked obviously, but we just got a little bit of colour on it. I'm now going to go in with some fresh curry leaves. Now if you can get them, they really are really fantastic. If not, try and see if you can get them dried. Then we're going to add 1 cup of onion. And I'm going to add some salt. And then black pepper, but I'm going quite heavy on the black pepper. Like 2 teaspoons. Very peppery, I like this one. You can adjust that however you want. Another 4 minutes. Keep it moving. Really, really fabulous. Loving this. Okay, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of the two. You can buy it in stores, depending on where you live. You can definitely get it online. Or like us, you can make it yourself because we just use such a lot of it. Fresh chilies. Entirely up to you how much you want to put in. Adjust that how you like. Then we're going to add some powders. Let's just take a look. So I've got 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder if anyone is interested. And then we've got 1 teaspoon turmeric, cumin and coriander. So in that all goes. A quick little mix. Super, super fabulous. Next up, we're going to add some tomato, some fresh tomato. So I've got 2 decent sized tomatoes here. Try and use a nice juicy ripe tomato. And what we're going to do is we're going to stay on this above medium heat now for about 6 minutes. We really want the tomatoes to break down. And if you've used a juicy tomato like me, we should be getting some liquid or moisture from them. Give it a stir every now and then. So as you can see, I've got quite a nice amount of moisture from there. Now if you didn't, just add a little bit of water so you get this sort of consistency. I'm now going to add some chickpeas. Now, this is 1 can of chickpeas, a regular kind of can. Now, if you're going to use it from a can like me, give them a nice wash in some cold water. Rinse them through. All right, we're going to put this on a simmer now, so super low. I'm going to let it go for about 20 minutes. Now, if it dries out at all, I'm going to add just a little bit of water every now and then. Okay, so that's been going about 20 minutes or so, and I did add a little bit of water to it as it was drying out, like 1 cup of water. Now, check your meat. It depends on the quality of the meat you have. You might need to cook it longer, That's really good. We're going to add just a little bit of garam masala powder, which is a nice kind of finishing spice. A little bit of cilantro. Off goes the heat. A little stir. That's beautiful. Check it for salt, but I'm super happy where I am. Delicious. Let me get that on a plate. And there we go. Beautiful. Actually, I think that is sensational. It's really, really delicious. I love that with the chickpeas in there. I hope you enjoyed that. Please keep safe. Please keep well. And I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.